I welcome you all. In this lecture, we will study about gate. In previous lecture, we have finished two gates, that is and OR gate. Remaining gate we will study in this lecture. Here. So first note is, in the first note, implication and inhibition function don't obey commutative law. Don't obey commutative law. Okay, now the first comment is, so this is our implication function. Implication function present in two forms. First one, this one, and the second one is x plus y bar. Okay, now for inhibition function it is x bar y, or it will be x y bar. Okay, these two are called as inhibition function and these two are called as implication function. Now I am taking this form of implication function and I am going to prove that implication function does not obey commutative law. To obey commutative law for implication function, I have taken this one. So we have to change x into y and y into x. Okay, na? If this obey, then we say that implication obey the commutative law, because this is the commutative law. Okay, na? So if you talk about these two, so these two can be equal or not? No, never. Why? Because it is x complement, here we have y complement. Okay, na? So both functions are different, so it don't obey commutative law. Okay, na? Now for inhibition, you can write it again for inhibition. So I am taking this function for inhibition. So x bar y, to satisfy commutative law, x bar y is equal to, must be equal to y bar x. Okay, na? But again both functions are different, so both cannot be equal, because here x bar, here we have bar on y. Okay, na? So these two are not equal, so that's why it is also don't obey commutative law. Okay, na? This is the first comment. Now the next point is the second point. I am going to develop some Boolean algebra formula. Okay, na? That is related to and OR gate. So in AND gate we have studied the truth table of AND gate is 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Okay, now what is output? 0 0 0 1. These are the outputs. I want to find the values for these expressions. So if both the inputs are same, both the inputs are same, then what is the output of AND gate? If both the inputs are same, 0 0, output is 0, 1 1, output is 1. Yani whatever input are applied, that is transferred to the output in case of when both the input are same. So what will be, if we have A, then A will be transferred to output. A bar, A is 0, so what will be A bar or A complement? It will be 0 bar, that is 1. Okay, na? If A is 1, then it will be 0. What it mean? It means that both the inputs are different. Which case? These two cases. In these two cases, what is the output? 0. So output will be 0. Okay, na? 0 act as disable input. So what is the output of AND gate? It will be 0 only. And if we fixed one input of AND gate at 1, then how it behaves? It behaves as buffer. So buffer means जो भी यहाँ पे you have given input that is come into the output. So this is the core formula of Boolean algebra. We will use that. Now the next concept is the third point. Third point is OR gate. Write the truth table of OR gate 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. So what will be the value? It will be 0 1 1 1. Okay na? Again we have a plus a plus a bar, a plus 0, a plus 1. It is not plus, it is OR. A with a is ORing with a is ORing with a bar, a is ORing with 0, a is ORing with 1. Okay na? So what will be the value? The value will be, when both the inputs are same, a, so it is 0, output is 0. If it is 1, both the inputs are 1, then output is 1. What it means? It means that whatever input are here, that will go on the output. So it will be a. Now a plus a bar, again both are different, we have seen in the AND gate. So a and a bar both are different. So when both the inputs are different, then output is 1. It will be 1. At 0, OR gate act as enable input, and how it behaves? It behaves as buffer. So it will be buffer, means whatever input you are giving here, that will come into the output. So a plus 1, at 1 OR gate will be disabled. So what will be the output? Output will be 1 only. Okay na? We have studied all these. Okay, the next gate is NAND gate. If you talk about NAND gate, so it can be written as, NAND can be written as not plus AND. Okay na? Not plus AND can be written as AND plus not. Okay na? So it will be, the structure will be AND, and then we add not with this. So we have XY, this is F. So this whole gate is known as, this whole circuit is known as NAND. Okay na? This AND gate and this NOT gate are very good friends, so they don't want to be separated. Okay ना? तो ये क्या करता है, बेटा आजा पार्टी करते हैं, इससे बोलता है, किससे? नॉट गेट से. ये आता है, इतनी तेज दौड़ते हुए आता है, ठीक है ना, क्योंकि पार्टी चाहिए ना, दोस्तों को पार्टी दो तो कितना तेज जाते हैं, नहीं? लेकिन पार्टी उनसे लो तो फिर आएंगे भी नहीं. सो ये क्या है, ये उसी टाइप का दोस्त है. तो ये क्या है, इसने बोला कि आप पार्टी करते हैं, तो ये बहुत तेज़ दौड़ के जाता है, और बीच में जब उसके पास पहुंचता है तो उसके पैरों के पास गिर जाता है. गिरता है तो ये वाली चीज़ जो है उसकी, ये जो तोंद है उसकी आगे वाली, ये क्या हो जाती है, टूट जाती है. तो बचता क्या है, बबल बस. ठीक है ना? तो इट इज़ आवर विच गेट? NAND gate. Talk about NAND gate, then it is AND plus NOT. Okay na? So first write the truth table of AND gate. So it will be X, Y, F. Okay. So how many combinations? 2 combinations, 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1, and the output will be for AND gate, when both the inputs are 1, then output is 1, otherwise it is 0. Okay, so I am going to take NOT of this. Okay na? NOT of the output of AND gate will give you NAND. So what will be the truth table of NAND? It is X, Y, F. It is 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. It will be 0 0 and is 0. So what is NOT of 0? NOT of 0 means 0 pe bar. 0 pe bar means 1. So it is also 1, it is also 1, and this one 0. So this will be the truth table of NAND gate. Now we have to derive the functions for NAND gate. So go for the max term. in max term 1 represent complemented form, so it will be x bar and this will be y bar, and we are creating max term, so in between we are ORing. Okay na? So it can be written as by De Morgan's law x y पे bar. This is popular formula for NAND gate. Okay na? Now if you want to write one more function, then one more function of NAND gate, then you can write it. So it will be, consider this one as output. So it is sum of min terms. What will be the min term for this? X bar y bar. For this it is x bar y. For this it is x y bar. So it will be f equal to x bar y bar plus x bar y plus x y bar. Okay na? These two functions are for NAND gate only. Okay na? These two are NAND gate functions, but popular is this one, the first one. Okay na? Now the next point is whether it holds commutative law or not. So go for the commutative. So for NAND gate, whether it obey commutative law or not. So if we prove x y bar it is NAND is equal to y x bar, then we say that NAND gate holds commutative law. So LHS equal to x y bar, it can be written as x bar plus y bar with the help of De Morgan's law. We will study in Boolean algebra. Now right hand side yx का whole bar, it will be y bar plus x bar. So now this is a OR operation. So OR is obey the commutative law. So we can interchange the positions of variables. It will be like this. We can write like this also. Okay na? So what it means? It means that it holds commutative law. Holds commutative. Fourth property is associativity. So we have to prove that we are taking AND operation between x and y, and the result will be operated with z using NAND operator. Okay na? Either this or we will take this first, and then the result of this will be operated with x. If both are same, then we say that associativity holds. Okay na? So LHS left hand side equal to x y bar z का whole bar. So it will be by De Morgan's law plus z bar will be x y plus z bar. Now go for the RHS. It will be x dot y z whole bar का whole bar is equal to, it will be x bar plus yz double bar. It will be x bar plus yz. Is both are same or not? No, both are not same. So that's why it does not obey associativity. Okay na? It does not obey associativity. So our next concept is control input. So this is our NAND gate. I am going to fix one input at 0. Let's see how it behaves. It will be x y f. X y is input. 2 input, 4 combinations. What will be the output for this? 1 1 1 0, because it is NAND gate, not AND. Now if I put 0 here, so 0 0, which combination? The first one, output will be 1. If we put 1 here, so 0 1 0 1, output will be 1. If we put Rajni sir here, so it will be 1 only. Okay na? So this input is called as disable input. We already know. now if we put 1, if we fix one input at 1, then observe this. If we have 0 here, so 0 1 0 1 output will be 1, 1 1 1 1 output is 0, so output will be 0. If we take a here, so it will be a complement. Okay na? So how it behaves? So this input is called as enable input and act as inverter. NOT gate is called as inverter also. Okay na? So it is acting as inverter. The sixth point is for unused input. Unused input. So unused input in NAND gate handled as AND gate. Okay na? It is same as AND gate. Okay, in AND gate we know that for unused input we will place 1 by pull up method, or we connect that unused input in with one of the used input. Okay na? Let us try one example. So it tells that x1 is 1, x2 is 1. Okay na? Then q remains किसमें? इस सर्किट में. सर्किट गिवन है here. So this is NAND gate connected with AND gate, and this is connected with this one. So it is x1, it is x2. So what will be the output? Q. Q is this one. Okay na? So option A is 0, option B is 1, option C is initial value, its initial value, and option D is unstable. Okay. पॉज कर दो, पॉज करके इसको ट्राई करो. ओके ना? So let us solve this question. x1 is 1, x2 is also 1. Let the initial value of q is 0. Okay na? So what will be the value? It will come here. It is 0, 0 1, 0 1 output will be 1. Okay na? Now 1 1 output will be 1 because of AND gate. Okay, now this one again come here, so it will be 1 1 1 output will be 0. So 1 0 output will be again 0. Now 0 comes here, so it will be 1 0 means 1 output, 1 1 means output will be 1. Okay, so what it means? Q remains 0? No, it is not 0. It is 1? No. It is at initial value? No, initial value we have maintained 0, but it is changing in 1 and then 0 then 1. Okay na? So remains initial, always remains initial value, not possible here. It is also not correct. So which one correct? Unstable. So when the output of a circuit changes from 0 to 1 and 1 to 0, okay na, continuously, then that stage is called as unstable stage. Okay na? So go for the so our next gate is NOR gate. So NOR means not plus or. You can write it or plus not also. Okay, so what is OR? This one OR, and not is this. We have two inputs here. So this is the circuit for NOR gate. Now when these two are friends, इस बार पार्टी ये दे रहा है, ठीक है ना? तो ये क्या करेगा, आप देखो ये बहुत हैवी है और ये बहुत दुबला पतला है, तो ये दौड़ते हुए काफ़ी दिन बाद मिले थे दोनों दोस्त, तो ये दोनों जो है गले मिलना चाह रहे थे, तो ये दौड़ते हुए आया और इतना तेज़ दौड़ा कि जो ये पतला था लेकिन इसकी तोंद थी, तो इतना तेज़ ये दौड़ते हुए आया कि इसकी तोंद ही क्या हो गई, खिसक गई। तो इट विल बी लाइक दिस, मेड फॉर ईच अदर, हाँ। it is xy, it is f. So this is first representation. Now go to the second point. It is truth table of NOR gate. So if you know the truth table of OR, then you just complement the output of that, you will get truth table of NOR gate. So what will be that? Will be x, y and f is for output 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 1. It is output of OR. If you go for this NOR gate, so 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1, what will be the output? Output will be complement of OR. So what will be the complement of 0 1, complement of 1 0, complement of 1 0, complement of 1 0. So this will be the truth table of NOR gate. Okay na? Now I want to write functions of NOR gate. So f equal to, it will be mean term approach, so it will be x bar y bar, it will be x bar y bar, or you can say it as x plus y pe bar by De Morgan's law. If you break it, you will get this one. So this is very popular formula for NOR gate. Okay na? You can check from here also. So this is our OR gate, it will give x plus y. Now we take not for that, so it will be x plus y whole bar. If you want one more formula for that, so you can write here. This is max term, so it will be x plus y bar, it will be x bar plus y, and this one will be x bar plus y bar. It will be product of max term. Product of max term can be written as, so x plus y bar, x bar plus y, x bar plus y bar. Okay na? But popular formula is this one. Now the third point is whether it holds commutative law or not. Third point, commutative law. I am going to write directly, you can check that. So NOR gate holds commutative law. Okay. Fourth one, associativity. NOR gate does not hold है, ये भी एसोसिएटिविटी को होल्ड नहीं करता, ऑलवेज रिमेंबर दिस. तो चाहे वो नैंड गेट हो या नॉर गेट हो, बोथ डोंट ओबे एसोसिएटिव लॉ. ओके ना? नाउ द फिफ्थ पॉइंट इज control input. You talk about control input, you can write it like this. So this is NOR gate. So one input is fixed at 0. Let's check how it behaves. So this is the truth table of NOR gate. So if you place 0 here, so at 0 0 output is 1. Output is 1. So output will be 1. Okay na? If we place 1 here, so output will be 0 1. At 0 1 output is 0. Output is 0. So what is output is 0. Okay na? So if we place a here, it will be a complement. So this is enable or disable? enable input. Okay na? How it works? It behaves as inverter. Behaves as inverter. Now check for 1. So if it is 1, then what happened? My drawing is too good. Okay na? Writing is masala, drawing is too good, eh? So it will be 0 at 1 0. I have 1 0 1 0 at 1 0. It is 0. Output is 0. Now at 1 1, output is again 0. So if we place A here, आउटपुट विल बी 0. ओके ना? चाहे यहाँ पे आप कोई भी वैल्यू दें, सलमान खान भी उठा के दे दें, रजनीकांत जब नहीं चेंज कर सकते तो सलमान खान की क्या औकात है? तो इट ऑलवेज बी 0. तो इट इज डिसेबल इनपुट. ओके ना? द 6th point is unused input. Unused input. Okay na? So it is same as the OR gate. Means if you have unused input in NOR, then place 0 in that, or you connect that unused input with one of the used input. We have to decide which expression is not equivalent to x bar. Okay na? So option is x NAND x. B option is x NOR x. C option is x NAND 1. And D option is x NOR 1. Huh? So let us check it. So if you talk about this, then when both the inputs are same in NAND gate, okay na? So we have x dot x NAND ले लिया ऑपरेशन उसके. It will be x bar plus x bar. It can be written as x bar. So it is x bar. So it is equivalent to x bar. Okay na? Now for this, it will be x plus x का complement. So with the help of De Morgan's law, we can break it, and it is also equal to x bar. Now if we fix one input of NAND gate at 1, then how it behaves? It behaves as inverter. We have seen. Okay na? We have seen here at 1. So at 1 it behaves as inverter. What will be the value? The value will be x bar again. And for NOR it will be at 1. It is NOR gate. So at 1 it is acting as disable input. So output will be 0. So here output will be 0. So which option is correct? D option, because it is not equivalent to x bar. Now our next concept is XOR gate. XOR, or you can say XOR, दोनों में से कुछ भी. So what is XOR gate? XOR gate is when both inputs are different, output is equal to 1. Otherwise output will be 0. ओके ना? अगर दोनों इनपुट डिफरेंट हैं, then output will be 1, and if both are same, then output will be 0. So first of all we have to go for the representation of XOR gate, how it looks like. So it is exclusive OR. exclusive OR means OR गेट बनाओ और कोरोना के पीरियड चल रहा है तो उसको क्या करो, एक मास्क पहना दो. तो दिस इज आवर 2 input XOR gate. What is table of OR gate? So it will be XY TT, truth table 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Okay na? So when the inputs are different, output is 1, otherwise it is 0. Okay, now we want to write the function for XOR gate. So take this one. So for this it will be x bar y, because of sum of min term it is x y bar. So f will be x bar y plus x y bar. So this is the formula that is very popular. We can write one more formula for this. It will be, that is one more function for this, that will be 0 0. So product of max term, so it will be 0 0 as normal and 1 for complement. It will be like this, but this one is very popular. This XOR gate is also called as odd function. What is odd function? If odd number of inputs are at logic 1, then output will be 1. Such function is called as odd function. Means odd function definition is, if odd number of inputs are at logic 1, then output is 1. This is the definition of odd function. So if you want to verify, you can verify here. We have odd number of input in this case and in this case, so output will be 1. Okay na? So OR gate is also called as, sorry, XOR gate is also called as, XOR gate is also called as odd function. Okay na? Is also called as odd function. So next point is whether it holds commutative law, associative law or not. So go for that. The third point I am going to write, you can check that. Okay na? We know the procedure how to check. So XOR gate holds commutative law. Okay, now the fourth point is whether it holds associative law or not. So XOR gate holds associativity also. Okay na? So if what it means, x XOR y equal to y XOR x, and what it means that for associativity we can write at it is equal to, okay na? Now the next one is control input. If you talk about control input, this is our XOR gate fixed at 0. If you place 0 on the other input, both are same, so output will be 0. If it is 1, then output will be 1. What it mean? It is enable or disable. It will enable input, and how it behaves as buffer. How? Because जो भी हम यहाँ पे दे रहे हैं that will come in output. Okay, now the second one is at 1. So if we take 0 here, so it will 1 0, both are different, so output will be 1. If we take 1 here, so both are same, so output will be 0. So if you give a here, so what will be the output? Whatever you are giving here, you are giving 0, you get 1, you are giving 1, you get 0. तो अगर आप a दोगे तो यहाँ पे क्या मिलेगा? a complement. ओके ना? तो it is also enable. And how it behaves? As inverter. Okay na? Now we have some more concept for XOR gate. The first one is, decide this, the value of these expressions. So if both the inputs are same, then output will be 0. Okay na? So it will be 0. When both the inputs are different, because if a is 0, a bar will be 1. If a is 1, then a complement will be 0. Yani both are different inputs, so it will be 1 always. At 0, it behaves as buffer. Here at 0, it behaves as buffer, so what will be the value? A. At 1, it behaves as inverter, so it will be a complement. The first formula. The second note is, if we have a XOR b equal to c, then we can write a XOR c equal to b, and we can also write b XOR c equal to a, and one more we can also write as a XOR b XOR c is equal to 0. Okay na? A very important formula. So whenever a XOR b equal to c is given, then you can write all these combinations. Okay ना? और याद रखना, ये a XOR b equal to c की जगह it can be any combinations. Okay ना? बस तो out of 3, 2 will be here and 1 here. Okay na? In this fashion, if you have any combination of a b c, then it obeys this following laws. Okay na? So always remember this. If you want, I can prove it. So let's prove it. Okay na? So 2a I want to prove this one. This is, so it will be a XOR c LHS. Okay ना? तो a XOR c की वैल्यू क्या है? a XOR b. तो with associative property we can write it as, okay, now both are same. When both are same, output will be 0. So it will be 0 XOR b. At 0, it behaves as inverter, so it will be b. Similarly, you can prove b also. Now I am going to prove 2c. So LHS will equal to a XOR b XOR c. If you want to prove it, so you will write it c equal to a XOR b, because it is given. So now commutative law, apply commutative law here. So it will be a XOR b XOR b. So it will be 0, it is 0. So 0 XOR 0, it will be 0 only. Okay na? So it is also proved. Now one more note is there. Suppose I have a XOR a, what is the value? 0, because if both the inputs are same, then output will be 0 for XOR. Okay na? If I have one more XOR operation, okay na? What will be it? This one will be, it is 0 XOR a. On 0, it behaves as buffer, so it will be a. Okay na? Now one more, I want to increase one more operator. So it will be 0, it is 0, so 0 XOR 0, it will be 0 again. Okay, one more, A XOR A XOR A XOR A XOR A. So what will be the value? A. You can see that. Okay na? So whenever we have odd number of operands, okay na, operands number is odd. So for example here operand number is odd, so we get A. If operands number is even, then we get 0. So we can generalize one formula here, A XOR A XOR A XOR, okay na. How many operands we have? If we have n operands, what will be the formula? Formula will be, if n belongs to even number, then it will be 0. If n belongs to odd number, then it is, it is A. This will be the formula. Now I have one question. Let us try it. XOR gates are connected in this fashion. We have given x here and here 1. So after 1000 XOR gate, what will be the output? इसको पॉज कर लो और इसको सॉल्व करो, ठीक है ना, एंड देन मैच विथ माय सॉल्यूशन. So if it is 1, at 1 XOR gate act as inverter, so it will be x bar. Now here we have x, here x bar, so it will be 1. Again it is x and here we have 1, so it will be x bar. Again we have 1. Similarly we can proceed for 1000 XOR gates also. So after 2 gate we have output 1, okay na. After 4 gate we have again output 1. So whenever we are crossing even number of gate, then output will be 1. So it will be what? Will be 1, okay na, for even XOR gate. And when we are crossing odd XOR gate, then the output will be x bar. So which one correct? 1000 is even or not? Even. So if it is even, then this option is correct, okay na. So what will be the output after 1000 XOR gate? It will be 1. But if it asked about what is the value after 2021 XOR gate, so 2021 is odd, so it will be, okay na, x bar. These are the previous year's gate question. Let us attempt one by one. So this question comes in 2014. This is XOR operation. 1 and 0 denote binary constant, and f over 2 variables is given. A function f is given over 2 variables. This is the function. Then what is equivalent expression for f? So we have 1 XOR p XOR p XOR q. Then we are taking XOR operation with p XOR q XOR q XOR 0, okay na. We are going to solve it. So we know one thing, when a XOR a will be, when both are same, then output will be 0. A XOR a bar, it will be 1. A XOR 0, 0 पे ये बफर की तरह वर्क करता है, and at 1 it is work as inverter. Okay na, it behaves as inverter. So this is 1, this is 1, so at 1 it behaves as inverter, so it will be P bar XOR P XOR Q XOR P XOR Q XOR, यहाँ पे 0 है, 0 और Q, so it will be Q only because it act as buffer. So now we know one property of XOR gate. A XOR B XOR C can be written as A XOR B XOR C. So write it as P bar XOR P XOR Q XOR P XOR Q XOR Q. So this will be 1, so 1 XOR Q XOR this will be Q, both are same, so it will be 0, so P XOR 0. What it will be? At 1 it act as inverter, so it will be complement XOR will be P because buffer, or you can say here A XOR 0 equal to A, so P XOR 0 equal to P. So now you can, now we know that XOR gate obey commutative law also, so it can be written as, now this is A, this is B, so it will be A bar B. A bar B is P bar Q bar plus AB bar. AB bar will be P Q पे double bar, so it will be P bar Q bar plus PQ. Okay, so which option is correct? This one? No. This one? No. This one? No, because it is P bar Q plus PQ bar. This one? Yes, because if you want to solve it, you can go ahead. It will be PQ bar plus P bar Q पे whole bar will be by De Morgan's law PQ bar P bar Q पे whole bar. Now you can write it as P bar plus Q, and it is P plus Q bar. If you solve it, you will get PQ plus P bar Q bar. Okay na? Binary operation is given. This is the operation. It is X bar plus Y bar. If you talk about De Morgan's law, then it will be XY पे whole bar, because XY whole bar equal to X bar plus Y bar. So which gate it is? NAND gate. Okay na? So NAND gate obey this law is called as associative law. So NAND gate obeys associative law? No. And commutative? Yes. So which one is correct? Only S2 is true. Yes, it is. B option is correct. Because NAND and NOR both don't obey associative law. Okay na? They obey commutative law only. So this is the question of 2015. देखो कितना easy question है. Let's see here. On 0, this operator behaves as buffer, and on 1 it is behaves as inverter. When both the inputs of this operator are same, then output is 0, and when both are different, then output is 1. Which gate it is? XOR. XOR gate की property है सारी. तो जो ये हैश है, it is XOR gate only. So XOR gate का function कहाँ है इसमें? X Y bar plus X bar Y. ये option is correct. Okay. Now go for the next problem. So I have this one. So in question number 4, it is asked in 2016 gate. So given is x1 XOR x2 XOR x3 XOR x4 इज इक्वल टू 0. अच्छा, ये 0 कब आएगा? जब ये सारे के सारे क्या हो? व्हेन ऑल x1 x2 x3 x4 आर सेम. ओके ना? मीन्स x1 इक्वल टू x2 इक्वल टू x3 इक्वल टू x4. जब ये सेम हो देन ओनली वी विल गेट 0. ओके ना. सो सेम होंगे तो आइदर यू टेक 0 all the values of these variables as 0 or you take 1. If you take 0 then you cannot eliminate options because 0 0 0 0 0 इक्वल टू 0 आ जाएगा, यहाँ भी 0 इक्वल टू 0 आ जाएगा, यहाँ भी 0 इक्वल टू 0 आ जाएगा. सो यू कैन नॉट एलिमिनेट द ऑप्शंस. सो गो अहेड विथ 1. ओके ना. अगर 1 से हम जाएं तो हम ऑप्शंस को एलिमिनेट कर सकते हैं. तो ले दोनों सकते हैं लेकिन इस 0 लेने का देयर इज नो बेनिफिट. ओके ना. बिकॉज इफ यू take options, so if you place 0 0 0 0 it is and all inputs are 0, so 0 equal to 0 it will be also 0. 0 0 plus 0 it will be 0, so 0 equal to 0 you cannot eliminate. Okay na. So you take 1 for all these variables, so it will be 1, x2 also 1, x3 also 1, x4 also 1. Okay na. Because when all these x1 x2 x3 x4 are equal then only the value of this expression will be 0. okay na. तो यहाँ से ऑप्शन ए, if you talk about option A it will be x1 x2 x3 x4. so 1 1 1 1 it will be 1, that is not equal to 0. तो option A is wrong. option B x1 x3 plus x2, so it will be 1 1 plus 1 dot 1 plus 1 it will be 1. okay na. which again it not equal to 0, so this is also wrong answer. so for C 1 x1 bar XOR x3 bar equal to x2 bar XOR x4 bar. okay na. so LHS it is x1 bar XOR x3 bar, so it will be 1 bar XOR 1 bar, so it will be again 1 bar is 0 XOR 0, 0 XOR 0 both are same, so output is 0. now right hand side if you place x2 bar XOR x4 bar is equal to 1 bar XOR 1 bar, it will be 0 XOR 0, that will be 0. so both are same, so this will be correct option. for D if you want to check then you can check. so it will be x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4, it will be 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, so it will be 1. it is not plus, it is OR operator. so we are ORing all these 4 variables, so it will be output will be 1, but that is not equal to 0. so LHS is not equal to RHS, so it is also wrong option. so which one is correct? C option. okay. in this question we have F1 F2 and F3 is given, and this is AND gate and this one is XOR gate. if you talk about truth table of AND gate, so it will be X Y F, it will be 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. for AND gate it will be 1. and if you want truth table of XOR gate then you can write it as 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1, it will be 0 1 1 0. we have already know what it mean. it means that I already told you that AND gate behaves as it is AND, it is behaves as intersection. how? see here. so in discrete math I already told you that AND gate is act as intersection. if you want to prove then you can see here. when both the inputs are at logic 1 then output is 1. it means that if an element is available in both the sets then it will be available in their intersection also. okay na. so this is like that only. okay na. that's why it is obey intersection law. see here. for XOR gate if you talk about XOR gate, so XOR gate tells us either the element are in फर्स्ट सेट और इट विल बी इन सेकेंड सेट बट नॉट इन बोथ. एलिमेंट या तो फर्स्ट सेट में हो या सेकेंड सेट में हो, देन ओनली ये उसके एक्सॉर में होगा, अदरवाइज नहीं होगा. ओके, अदरवाइज नहीं होगा मतलब यहाँ तो अवेलेबल ही नहीं है. जीरो मतलब क्या, एलिमेंट इज नॉट अवेलेबल. बट एलिमेंट आइदर एक्स में अवेलेबल हो, मतलब आइदर एक सेट ए में अवेलेबल हो और सेट बी में अवेलेबल हो, लेकिन एलिमेंट दोनों में अवेलेबल न हो. ओके ना. तो ऐसा एलिमेंट दैट इज अवेलेबल इन सेट ए एंड सेट बी, दैट विल बी कम इनटू द एक्सॉर. ओके, तो नाउ ट्राई दिस क्वेश्चन. तो आई हैव f1 is 0 2 5 8 14, f2 is 2 3 6 8 14 15, and f3 is 2 7 11 14. So what will be the value? This is and means intersection. Take intersection. It will be 2. 2 is common. 5 is not common. 8 is common. 14 is common. Anything else? No. Okay na. Now, for example, what I told you, either elements belong to this set or this set but not in both sets. Okay ना. So ऐसे कौन कौन से एलिमेंट है, 2 belongs to both sets, then it cannot be go on the output. 7 belongs to only one set, yes, it can go. 8 belongs to only one set, it can go. 11 belongs to only one set, yes, it also can go. 14 belongs to both the sets, so it will not be the output of XOR. Okay na. So what will be the answer? Answer is summation of 7 8 11. So it will be 7 8 11. This is the answer. This is 19 question 2019. This question is comes in 20. So this is a circuit and we have to represent the expression of z in sum of min terms. Okay na. It will be a, it is b bar, it is c. So it will be b bar c. This one will be a plus b bar c. Now I want to change it in canonical form. So don't go for the derivation of canonical form. Okay na. Just write one thing. From here we know that a is MSB and c is LSB. Okay na. So a is MSB and both other elements will be after a only, because it is a is MSB na. So plus it is b bar c. So since a is MSB, so a will be present before b and c. It means on this place. Okay na. So for sum of min term, a is 1 because it is normal variable. Now we have two positions here. So for two position, how many combinations? 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Now b bar is represented as 0, c is represented as 1 in min term, sum of min term. Okay na. And this one is empty, so the value of this place will be either 0 or 1. Okay na. So is 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 1 0 triple 1 0 0 1 1 0 1. So you can write here. It will 1 0 0 1 0 0 means 4, 1 0 1 1 0 1 means 5, 1 1 0 1 1 0 means 6, triple 1 means 7, 0 0 1 0 0 1 is 1, 1 0 1 is 5. So what will be the value? 1 4 5 6 7. because जब कभी भी दो टर्म ऐसे प्रेजेंट होते हैं then it is equal to one term only. Okay ना. So 1 4 5 6 7, 1 4 5 6 7, option B is correct. Okay, so you have seen that all the questions are very easy. Okay na. बस you have to practice. ओके ना, टू गेट गुड रैंक्स इन गेट। ओके, प्रैक्टिस पे बहुत ध्यान दो, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा क्वेश्चन लगाओ, वैरायटी ऑफ प्रॉब्लम्स लगाओ। एक ही तरह के प्रॉब्लम 10 बार नहीं लगाओ, 10 तरह के प्रॉब्लम एक बार लगाओ, है ना। तो जितना प्रैक्टिस करोगे तो यू विल गेट डेफिनेटली अ गुड रैंक। ओके, तो विद द होप लेट्स क्रैक द गेट। ओके ना, थैंक यू वेरी मच।